on the debate on the Facebook HVAC group about testing for shorts with Multimeter versus a Megger, and I was saying the only way to do it properly is with a Megger, and a lot of people on there seem to think that a multimeter was the way forward. Anyway, testing, we've got this on a 50 volt range, which is still probably about 5 times what your multimeter will put out. Show 5 gigaohms, so this compressor's fine according to that. And we crank it up to 1000 volts. As you can see, that's quite a different reading. I can actually hear it arcing out somewhere. The lowest we had it was 0.8, so it's jumping around. If we try it on a different pin, get short on that one. So the third one, get short on there. So really you do need something that's going to put out a few volts if you're going to be testing for shorts. Put the meter on continuity. Find a good earth. It's nothing. That's on ohms. So that's showing overload. That's even on the ohms range. Yeah, this is telling us we've got a dead short. Say a dead short, it's on I don't know if you can hear that.